Are onions good for your kidneys? You might be surprised by what we uncover, so stay tuned. Have you ever wondered if something as simple as an onion could make a difference in your kidney health? Well, you're not alone. Let's explore the fascinating benefits of this everyday vegetable and see how it might support one of our body's most vital organs. When it comes to kidney health, diet plays a crucial role. The kidneys are essential organs that filter waste and excess fluids from your blood, which is why it's important to take care of them. Many people wonder whether onions, a common kitchen staple, are beneficial for kidney health. So let's get into the nitty-gritty of how onions can impact our kidneys. First, let's look at the nutritional profile of onions. Onions are packed with essential nutrients. They are low in calories but rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Here's a quick rundown of what onions offer. Vitamin C. This vitamin helps boost your immune system and acts as an antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage. Vitamin B6. Important for metabolism and brain health. Folate. Essential for cell function and tissue growth. Potassium. Helps regulate blood pressure, but people with kidney issues need to manage their intake carefully. Now, let's talk specifically about how onions can affect your kidneys. Onions are known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These qualities can be beneficial for overall health, including the kidneys. Here are a few ways onions might support kidney health. Reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation can harm your kidneys. Onions contain quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that can help reduce inflammation. Imagine having a natural defender in your diet that can protect your kidneys from the damage caused by inflammation. Lowering blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for kidney disease. The potassium in onions can help control blood pressure levels, though it's crucial for those with kidney disease to consult their doctor about potassium intake. By incorporating onions into your diet, you might be taking a simple step towards maintaining healthier blood pressure. Detoxification. Onions have compounds that assist in detoxifying the body, which can ease the kidney's workload. Think of it as giving your kidneys a helping hand to keep everything running smoothly. Supporting diuresis. Onions can act as a natural diuretic. Diuretics help increase the production of urine, which aids in removing excess fluid and toxins from the body. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with kidney issues, as it helps reduce the burden on the kidneys. Enhancing immune function. A strong immune system is vital for protecting the kidneys from infections and diseases. The vitamin C and antioxidants in onions can help boost your immune system, providing an extra layer of protection for your kidneys. Providing fiber. Onions are a good source of dietary fiber, which is essential for digestive health. A healthy digestive system supports kidney function by ensuring efficient waste removal and preventing constipation, which can indirectly affect kidney health. Antibacterial properties. Onions have natural antibacterial properties due to their sulfur compounds. These properties can help fight infections, which is crucial for maintaining healthy kidneys, especially if you're prone to urinary tract infections. For those with chronic kidney disease, CKD, it's important to manage your diet carefully. While onions can be a healthy addition, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Moderation. Eating onions in moderation is key, especially if you have kidney disease. Enjoying onions in the right amounts can help you reap their benefits without overloading your system. Cooking methods. Raw onions might be hard to digest for some people. Cooking onions can make them easier on your digestive system. So, try incorporating cooked onions into your meals to make them more palatable and gentle on your stomach. Consult your doctor. Always talk to your healthcare provider or a dietitian before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have kidney issues. Personalized advice can ensure you're making the best choices for your health. In conclusion, onions can be a good addition to a kidney-friendly diet due to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. However, moderation is important, especially for those with existing kidney conditions. Always consult with a healthcare professional to tailor your diet to your specific needs. So, next time you chop an onion, remember that you're not just adding flavor to your meal, you might also be supporting your kidney health. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more health tips and advice. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. See you next time.